everyone, I'm Melina, and I will be presenting our work, Socio-technical Imaginaries, Envisioning and Understanding AI Parenting Supports Through Design Fiction. First, let me give you some insight behind the motivation for this work. 1 in 5 children are likely to have a mental health problem, yet 75% of them do not receive the necessary help despite many of these issues being preventable. Parenting behavior is instrumental in reducing the risk of children developing mental health and behavior problems. As such, several parent training programs have been developed to teach effective ways for parents to interact with and positively influence their child's behavior and development. However, despite the benefits of parent training, they face challenges in reaching, engaging, and retaining parents. In addition, parents struggle to apply the learned techniques at home. To address this issue, evidence-based programs have been adapted for electronic delivery. Digital parenting programs vary in delivery and focusing on structured teaching methods, using a variety of technology components and interactive features. Yet, they struggle with low uptake and parental engagement as they require significant motivation and commitment. While adapting interventions to online delivery can increase scalability and reach, there remains a need to design for situated support and learning when adapting to online delivery as to ensure positive long-term outcomes. While technology has the potential to address these challenges, only limited work in HCI has looked into how this could be achieved. In this project, we were interested in understanding how emerging modalities such as AI, natural language processing, might be leveraged to transform the provision of parenting support. As such, we started to unpack this space by exploring the potential of AI and NLP techniques in addressing parenting needs while considering the parent perspective. Specifically, we wanted to understand if AI-mediated systems could facilitate parent training and support, and how designers could shape these applications to enable behavior change through situated support. So what did we do to start exploring this? In phase 1, we developed a conceptual framework drawing on existing empirical and theoretical research. This approach helped us identify specific needs of parents and how technology could support them. We then validated our framework through interviews with experts in the parenting and psychology domains. In phase 2, we used this framework to develop 9 scenarios depicting parenting needs and the potential effectiveness of agents and techniques in addressing them. Finally, we drew on these scenarios to gather perspectives from 92 parents we surveyed who reacted and provided feedback towards the technologies we envisioned. In what follows, we present what we think are the most interesting findings across these phases, but please refer to the paper for a full description on the findings. Our survey findings showed participant responses reflected an interplay of optimism and apprehension regarding the use of AI supports. Here, we will summarize first the perceived benefits and potential application areas for AI as expressed by our participants, but we invite you to have a closer look at the paper for a full description. Participants saw benefits of AI in offering tips, feedback, and teaching stress management techniques. In addition, participants recognize the importance of having AI tools and systems in place that might support their self-regulation skills when dealing with child-related difficulties. In addition, participants expressed that they could envisage AI for emotional support as it could offer a potential solution during those moments when parents need to vent, seek advice, or simply find comfort. For instance, as stated in this quote, the participant expresses a desire to voice their frustrations without facing opposition or criticism, indicating the need for a more supportive environment when dealing with frustration. In addition, our participants explained that AI might play a potential role in improving parent-child interaction and communication. Specifically, they saw potential in the technology creating a platform for dialogue, fostering understanding among family members, and facilitating the exchange of diverse perspectives. As expressed in the quote, participants highlight the importance of incorporating the child's perspective when designing to support family dynamics. Conversely, a significant portion of parents expressed negative reactions and voiced concern towards the futures we envisioned. For the quantitative breakdown of participant reactions to each scenario, please refer to the graphs within our paper. Participants expressed that by relying on an AI chatbot, they might become fixated on external opinions, undermining their confidence as parents. In addition, several participants expressed discomfort with the idea of constant monitoring and feedback and emphasized the importance of maintaining control over their parenting decision, as you can see here in this quote. In addition, another participant also expressed their worry about the overly reliance in technology, which may result in loss of autonomy and control over their parenting choices. participants also expressed reservations about technology's potential to undermine the authenticity of the parenting experience and disrupt family bonds. Specifically, participants expressed concerns regarding the potential for technology to create disagreements or rifts among family members, as well as criticism on the assumed necessity for technology to act as an intermediary during sensitive human interactions, as stated in the quote. Our findings showed that participant reactions to the scenarios ranged from open enthusiasm about the potential benefits of augmenting and building on their existing parenting practices with AI-mediated support, to skepticism and concern relating to privacy, the AI technology's impact on genuine or meaningful parent-child interactions, and on family dynamics. We now reflect on our findings and discuss important considerations for future research in AI-mediated parenting support. In this study, we examined the possible opportunities for AI technology to be utilized in the context for designing for parenting support. This was prompted by limited prior research and guidance on how AI-enabled technologies have incorporated and prioritized different dimensions of evidence-based parenting approaches. Our study revealed the complexity of designing effective parenting interventions, as not all components align seamlessly with technology-enabled delivery mechanisms. Our conceptual work highlights the breadth of parenting needs yet to be addressed, spanning from communication to emotional support and daily practices. While previous studies have touched upon these areas, there's need for more holistic design considerations. For instance, when designing for parent-child communication, future technologies should focus on supporting parents in skill development across various dimensions, like reflection and self-monitoring. Our framework can serve as a guide for HCI and interaction design researchers, offering key insights onto how we might envision and develop AI-mediated parenting supports. Finally, we conclude this talk by highlighting a set of design considerations for AI-mediated parenting systems. Our findings highlighted the importance of viewing AI as part of a broader socio-technical system. Designing AI systems for parents requires a delicate balance between providing support and respecting parental autonomy. Design efforts should prioritize the fulfillment of parents' expressed needs. This means carefully considering the roles and responsibilities we assign to AI systems, as this will be crucial in ensuring adoption and positive outcomes. I invite you to have a closer look at our paper for a more detailed description of our work. And please do reach out if you want to talk more about it. Thank you for listening.